Congress has had some challenges being sufficiently educated on exactly how AI works. The better that Congress understands these systems, the more informed Congress will be in both providing oversight by asking questions of the executive branch through the respective committees, for example, and in actually legislating provisions related to AI. Brian has referred to a couple, but in general, I think Congress has not robustly stepped in. That's true in general for tech, right? We do not have privacy a lot of privacy laws and so on. So I think Congress has some educational challenges here. There are some political challenges as well. In terms of the courts, I think the courts have a very difficult time here. Our courts do not often have a really robust role in the national security space. It's for a couple of reasons. First of all, courts can't reach out and find cases themselves. They have to wait until somebody tries to bring a case. It is sometimes hard to find plaintiffs who actually have standing to bring a particular case to challenge a particular national security policy. They sometimes they don't really, these are hard questions and they have high political salience and they might want to avoid having to decide them, so they can use something like what we call the political question doctrine to say this is really a question for the political branches to work out. And when they do decide these cases, they give a lot of deference to the executive branch because they feel like the executive is more competent in understanding the technology and whether it's appropriate to use a particular technology to engage in a particular activity against a threat, right? The courts don't feel like they are particularly well suited to assess threat.